We'll start the application of laser with the optical communication. The optical word means light. But why we are using only laser light in the communication? Because as we know that the laser light is highly directional and have tremendous amount of power. So when the voice will travel from one place to another place, it will travel in a less time and the voice is clear. Here we also know that the bandwidth of laser is 10 raised to 15 Hz. So when we use laser in the communication, we require less filter. This is the plus point. Lasers also used in high speed photography, where we should know that the speed of bullet is very fast. Still we have some clear image of that bullet which is fired from the gun and reach to the source. This is possible due to the laser. Laser is also used in the LiDAR communication, and the communication between the airport and airplane is also done due to the laser. Now we will talk about the medical application of the laser. In medical, almost laser are used in many of the surgeries and the cancer treatment. In the cancer treatment, we will strike our highly intensified laser on a tissue. It will destroy the cancer tissue. And when we talk about the surgeries, many surgery in which we have breast surgery and many more, in which we have to, in surgeries like suppose the blood vessel is break and the blood is continuously coming out from the body, so we will stop the blood which is coming out from the vessel. So we will use a different laser which will stop the blood which is coming out from the laser. So this is useful for many surgeries. Laser are also used in the eye treatment. In industry, when we talk about the use of laser, we should know that it is used for the drilling purpose where the human being cannot reach. Second, it is used for the cutting of the automobile parts, the large heavy automobile parts which is also cut by the laser. It is also used in where the metal is processed. It is also used in the many other industries like semiconductor industries, where the chip or the integrated circuit are printed by using the laser. Where we talk about the research purpose, the laser are used widely. When we talk about the spectroscopy, means to find the position of the oxygen atom in a large molecule, we will do by using the laser system. The second is the photochemistry, where we use laser as a catalyst in the very chemical reaction. Where in the nuclear fission, the fission word means we have to join a two nuclei. So here we are using a laser. Why we are using a laser in the fission process? Because to join a two nucleus we require a tremendous amount of power. This power is generated by the laser, hence laser almost used in the fission process. So as shown in the figure, in the holography, the light is incident on the crystal where it will emit a laser light. So this laser light is first go to the splitter split it into two parts. The one part of laser light go to the mirror and the second part go to the object. So after the mirror reflect the laser light, it will fall on the photographic plate, and the light which is fall on the object also fall on the photographic plate. But when we talk about the image which is formed in the photographic plate is real and virtual. So at last we will get the 3D object image. So we will using the laser for producing of the 3D image, which is used by many purpose.